back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I took my closure from this to this, and also how I cut a fringe bang into it. So if you're interested in it, stay tuned. In this part you will see me sewing a track onto the lace, and that is only because Outre, when they made this closure, they left a good chunk of lace on the outside of that closure that was just lace, no hair on it or anything. So it's like a big open space in between where I last sewed my track in and the hair on the closure. So I'm going to be closing that gap up some more before I start crocheting hair into it, so I don't have to crochet all that hair into the part. It kind of slows down or lessens the process of crocheting. So I'm going to add a track in and then crochet on top of that track to cover it up. Right here you see how it's kind of more space in the part. I don't know if you guys can actually tell, but it's more space in the part here, and then I kind of closed it up more with that track back here, so the part is smaller back here than it is up here. And I did that because I don't want the bulkiness of the track to be up front, so I kind of didn't bring it all the way to the front of the lace, and then on top of that it won't be bulky. First things first, this closure is from the Outre Brazilian Boutique pack with the 3 bundles and closure. I'm going to put the link down below where I got mine and other sites you can get it from, but that's what this closure is from. It's in the 18, 20, and 22 pack, and it's in a natural color. And with this closure, what Outre did with it that kind of bothers me, which you guys seen in the beginning, a glued tracks onto their lace, and then they didn't even like ventilate in front of the tracks. No, you just see tracks and lace in the front of your hairline. So I'm going to show you guys how, if you have this pack of hair and you have a couple of few strands left over from it, that you could just take a crochet needle and stick some hairs in the front to kind of make it look a little bit better. So that's what the first part of this is going to be. So I'm going to let this play out for you guys, and then we'll go into the next section.
기억들이 너무나 귀하고 너가 소중하다는 말이야. 우리가 누구보다도 아름다운 사이가 되기를 원해. 앞으로가 중요하다는 너의 말에 고개를 거울 같은 너의 그 입술이, 바다 같은 너의 그 입술이 내겐 어떤 별보다 이쁘지. 너에게로 이어지는 기분이. Can you be my la 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 la? Can you be my la 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 la? Can you be my la la? 내가 뭘 원하는지. 아침을 깨우는 네 목소리, 머리를 빗는 네 빗소리, 밖엔 비가 오나 봐 들리는 빗방울들이 땅에 떨어지는 소리, 전해지는 좋은 팅gle. 대체 뭐야 너는 비법이, 아침에 일어나서 부은 눈이.
This is the first time I've actually done the plucking this way on my part, and I kind of like how it looks. It kind of looks a little bit more natural, and just having it really like uneven kind of in a way of plucking the hairs out instead of just doing it straight back plucking. This is just me showing you guys what I did to kind of improve this closure, because it kind of needs it the way it is. It's kind of like a really weird closure. This is my first time working with one that looks like this, so I just wanted to show you guys because I didn't see any videos like this. I had to fix it kind of, but I'm not telling y'all, yeah, go out and do it. I'm just showing you how I did mine. You don't have to do it this way, but you can take what I did into mine and throw your own spin on it if you want to. Just know this is not a tutorial. I'm not telling y'all how to do this. I'm just showing y'all what I did. So, and here are the end results for the crocheting and tweezing part. I only wear my hair in the side part and middle part for work or a slick back ponytail. So sorry I couldn't get pictures of it in an updo, but I did show you guys me pulling the hair back and showing you that hairline in the beginning. This is me like a week and a half later, putting this bang in it, and I did really good for it being my first time ever putting a bang into a wig. I did it one time on my real hair in the past, and that was a side bang, and it did not end up well. I looked a hot mess, but I'm really proud of myself with how this fringe bang came out, and I'm just going to be showing you guys how I did mine. I'm not telling you guys how to do this. This is not a professional way to do it. This is just how I did mine. Don't come for me. It came out nice for me. Y'all watch the millions of tutorials on YouTube. There are how to cut a fringe. I'm not telling y'all how to. I'm showing y'all how I did mine and how my first time went. So, yeah. This is it. And pretty much this is the rest of the video. Me cutting the fringe in the hair and fixing it up so it looks right. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
넌 좀 달라 보여 눈에 시선이 확 가는 걸 yeah, yeah, yeah. I think about you 벌써 내 머릿속에 들어와